structural integrity appears sound based on the preliminary scan. Now cross-referencing with the archive schematics. All right, come on, just a little more. You can do it. Yeah, gotcha. Piece of cake. All right, just a little more to the right. This floor's seen better days, huh? Keep it steady, Marco. Got it, Elias. We're almost through. All right, come on. Just a little further, buddy. We got this.
The structure's integrity must be assessed carefully. Pay particular attention to the keystone and the adjacent brickwork.
Time for another piece to fall.
You got to work it just right, smooth it out. Takes a little muscle, but it's worth it. The mortar needs to set just right. You can't rush centuries of history. Keep it even on the arch, Elias. Got it, Marco. Mind the stone. All right, slowly now. Keep it steady. Got it. Just a little higher. Watch the sill. Almost there. Set it down. Yeah, just like that. Good. All right, just a little more. Steady now. Got it. Perfect. Almost there. Just a little more. Got it. All right. One more piece, then we're golden. The readings are stable now. We've got a precise lock on the structural axis. Proceeding with the analysis. All right, Marco, let's get this one secured. Just right. Yep, there it is. The alignment is perfect, exactly to the specification. Almost there. That's the last of it. Ha. Done.
Perfect. It's flush.
All right, come on, you beauty. Almost there. Give me just a little more. Yeah, that's it.
Measure twice, cut once. It's not just a saying, it's the foundation of everything worth building here. Patience is the key.
Keep it steady, Marco. Got it, Elias. We're almost there. The resin has cured perfectly. The reflections show the integrity of the finish. The measurements align perfectly with the ceiling bracket. All right, Elias, just a little to the left.
Got it, Leah. Hold it steady.
Perfect. Lowering now. Watch the edge.
It's in. Let me secure the base.
All right, here we go. Steady, Marco. Almost there.
Push through it.
Push through it. Nice and easy. We got this. All right, slowly does it. Got it. Easy now. And set. Good work. All right, gotta clear this out. Move it, rubble. Come on, Marco, push it. Keep going, almost there. All right, Elias, one more heave. Pushing hard, Marco. It's moving now. Keep going. All right, let's get this done. Take that. One more time for good measure. All right, the blues are secure. Time to get this box buttoned up.